Hey homies, what's good? It's Chris and welcome back to the channel. Well, it's Sunday, it's rainy and it's gloomy. I'm gonna go ahead and start the morning off with a little breakfast and of course my gratitude. So if you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up and hit the bell on the way out to make sure that you're notified to all new content dropping. Alright, you know what I'm gonna say. Let's go. Hey homies, good morning. So I'm gonna jump right in and make myself some breakfast. Am I the only one that can eat oatmeal any time of day? So I have some oatmeal. I'm gonna be adding some chia seeds because it helps with your heart health. I'm also going to be adding in some almond butter because that's extra protein, very low on the carbs. I'm gonna drizzle on some honey, that pumpkin pie spice, of course. That's the almond butter that I just softened up in the microwave for about 45 seconds. The fruits I'm gonna add are raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries, and let's load it up. I have a banana, but I don't know. Once I load everything up, I'll see if I want to go ahead and add that in. But this, I can eat this at any time of day. Like I can have it for dinner, especially this time of year where it's kind of gloomy outside. Today it's a gloomy day. So this, I watched some YouTube videos. It's holiday movie time. So yeah, in between bagging up some clothes for Goodwill, I will be having comfort food and plenty of water and rest. So the cinnamon, and that helps to lower blood sugar as well. My blood sugar is pretty good, but that cholesterol, y'all, we need a moment of silence. So I'm trying to stay consistent with adding more fiber into my diet and lower fat. So yeah, anywho. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my honey. I'm using dark honey today. And then I'm gonna save that spot for my almond butter. Now, I can melt it down a little further than I have it, which I probably am because I want to be able to make sure it's spreadable. All right, so that is my go-to this time of year. That almond butter is the truth. My chia seeds, a little pumpkin pie spice, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Just the simple Quaker oats, and I get the quick oats, cook it with more water and just a little bit of milk because I'm trying to cut back on my fat. Add 2 Splendors, a little vanilla, and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. I just make sure that it's really creamy, and that's it. I usually make enough for 2 times, so I have the rest in the refrigerator, and then I warm it up when I'm ready. But let's go. Good morning, guys. It is Monday morning and it is rainy here in Orlando. I have a couple of things that I need to take care of first thing this morning and some stops. Y'all want to roll? let's go. Let me spin the camera around really quick and show you what I have on. I had the music blasting, reggae dance hall kind of session this morning, and I should have been out the door like 10 minutes ago. But you know, the music, the vibes, you start dancing, reminiscing. Anyway, let me spin the camera around so you can see what I got on. Okay, so I just basically have on a skinny jean, some black open toe sandals with a heel, a very loose fitting sweater. Y'all know I probably got this from Bay, and I got my jeans of course from Bay, and the shoes actually from Bay. Ross of course. All right, let's go. Y'all, I had to park a flicking mile, and whoa, when I tell you that this is my cardio and these jack glass heels, shoo, it's a little journey, and it's about to rain. I still gotta walk around the corner. They need a shuttle. When I tell you I just got my cardio workout, so when I got to the building that I needed to go, I noticed that a few feet from the building is parking and it's about to rain. So I walked back to the parking lot in heels, got in the car. Y'all, I'm gonna spin the camera around so you can see those heels have parked. We have on slides, okay? I'm cute up top. I need to just take a headshot for my identification and we good, okay? Hold on. My heels have taken a nap, okay? Sweetie, we are very comfortable right now. We very comfortable. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I am hungry and I was in the area of the Jamaican place I told you about, Caribbean Sunshine Bakery. So I'm about to go in there and I'm starving, so I can't, I'm not responsible. All right, let's go. Y'all, I'm rocking my Mickey Mouse little fitted cap this morning, and I got my Minnie Mouse mask. I'm gonna show y'all. Carbs and I broke up a little while ago, about over a year and a half ago or so. When I was doing keto, we broke up. We went our separate ways and stuff like that. But I still remember the fond memories of a glazed donut and a croissant and some hard old bread with butter and fried dumpling and something there. You know what I'm saying? I still remember those fond memories. So every now and again I relapse and I let carbs back in. But I know we're not supposed to be in this relationship with each other. We've been trying to sneak around. I may do a little rice, a little something on the side. I'm not supposed to be doing it because, you know, I have a goal that I'm trying to reach slowly but surely. But we can't keep it a secret anymore because my scale is not moving, okay? We can't keep this thing a secret anymore. So I have to do something very drastic. We're gonna do this here cleanse, okay? Because I gotta break up with carbs once and for all, at least until I like get it under control. Because I'm saying the rice and peas and the pasta and all that, like, I'm not gonna tell you for Thanksgiving that I'm not gonna act a little bit up. Y'all saw the video where we did like the little cheesecake tasting and all of that kind of stuff. I'm gonna do a slice of cheesecake for Thanksgiving and perhaps some patty pie. Okay. There may be some breakfast items that have carbs in it. I'm not. I mean, I don't know, but I'm gonna do this 2-day cleanse, y'all. Please, y'all send some positive energy through the waves that I can get through this 2-day cleanse. Whew, Lord, cover me here. No bread, no sugar, no none of that. We just are going to focus and go straight to the produce section and get this cleanse and keep it pushing. That's it. That's all we're doing. Okay, let's go. This is the cleanse, but I want the gallon. Oh, they got it. Okay, so this is it, and it's 2 for $25. So it's the 2-day detox, and it's on sale this week. All right, y'all, so I did it. I went into Publix. I only bought what I needed. Like, that's never in the history of all times that I ran to Publix. Just went in, got what I needed, and ran out. So I got the 2 gallons of the cleanse. They're on sale, 2 for $25, which, I mean, you spend that much in 2 days for eating out. I got lemons, and I got ginger, and I got alkaline water. So let's get back to the house and get our first day started. All right, y'all, so I got my ginger root. I have the other ones over there on my rack. Let me go grab them so you can see the difference between what I bought before and what I got now. Okay, so this is what I got before, and I've had it for about a week or so. But you see, the quality is not as robust as the Publix one. So I got this from Aldi's. I also got some lemons. Y'all, I got the alkaline water. And then so it's gonna be Bay for today and tomorrow. It's the Arden's Garden. Okay. Let's go. All right, first glass. Y'all, it just tastes like citrus water. It tastes like citrus water, like citrus water. Jesus. But I committed. I bought the 2 gallons. So it says every hour try to drink 8 ounces. We're gonna see, okay? This was my first. I got my Beijing black in my hair, y'all. I am tired. So I'm gonna let this sit, put a cap on it, and let it marinate. Rinse it out and then do a leave-in conditioner. And then I get my hair braided in the morning. Good night. Oh, hey homies, I've been home for a while. I would say like after 1-2 o'clock, I got a FaceTime from my dad, and I was out busy and I didn't answer it, and he FaceTime right back. That's not like him. So I called him and he told me that my uncle passed away. And when I tell you, like, this is my favorite uncle, like, my siblings, like, that's just like the uncle who like always got our back, like will slip you a couple dollars, like even we're grown adults, like he like that's our uncle. So just dealing with that, and you know, just trying to make sure my dad is good, because when I tell you, they were like this, like on the phone every day, seeing each other a couple times a week, and like from birth to now, and they're in their 60s and 70s. So like just making sure my dad is good and in good spirits, like love on your loved ones, like hold them near and dear and hold on to them and let them know that they are loved, regardless of whatever. Like let them know that they are loved. All right, y'all, so just wanted to tell y'all that I love you guys, and make the most out of life, every moment of it. All right, so I'm actually having a glass of sorrel, lighting a candle, and just sending him some love and light. I can't be with my family in New York because of COVID, so just sending them love and light. Like, this sucks. I know you're in a better place and you're not hurting anymore, and that's what's going to give us comfort. So this is for you.